Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather and this is the Supply Junkie, and I thought I would show you guys how I fill up my fountain pen that I got this one for Christmas. I'm going to use the Noodler's ink. And it comes with a dropper, but also comes with a reservoir that you can fill up. So you just unscrew it. It's really cute. It has snowflakes and reindeer on it. Then you unscrew this part. Then you pull this part out. And then you want to twist it to where it's down. You'll see a little ball in there. You want to twist it till it's down. Okay, and then I open up my ink, and then I twist up. Till you get it inside there, and then always dab it off. Then you put it back in. Got a hair on there. Then you screw it back into this part. And I like these because with my plan with me is with my weekly spreads, it tends to be enough ink. And then you can just screw that part back on and then you're all done. So next I will do this week's, let's see, I'm going to do the daily A6 Hope and Eat You plan with me, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Bye!